Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be teaching you on how to send voice messages on Discord using your PC. So basically, Discord does not have a built-in microphone that you can send a voice message to, but we can still use the Discord to send a voice message using a file. So first, you have to record a voice message, and after that, just have to save the file because we are going to use this to send it. Now, when you open a message, you can see the plus icon here. You just have to click on it and then click on upload a file and you'll be redirected to your files. And here we have to locate the recording that we made. So I put this in this folder. So you just have to click on this one and click on it and then click on open. So here, this is the recording. Now, in order to send this one, you just have to click on the enter button and your voice message file will be sent to your recipient. So when they click on this play button, they would be able to hear what you're trying to say with your voice message. So remember that there's no built-in microphone for this feature. You just have to record a file, then send it to your recipient. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.